What's up, y'all? So right now we're getting ready to go to a GReddy meet, I believe so. Hopefully we make it there. I'm getting ready right now. These are my hats right here. Oh, excuse the socks. These are my hats, all of them. I got a bag, hats. I usually only wear a couple. I'm gonna wear this one. This is my newest one. See that? I like that one. I need a pin for it though. We're gonna check the car to see if it's drivable. Or actually just to see if we can drive it normally. We're gonna check the oil maintenance and everything. Make sure everything's good. Yuck, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Brown. And then we're gonna check the PSI. I usually run 45, 40 on each wheel, so we're gonna check to see that they're good. Alright, what's up, you guys? I need to stop saying that shit, bro. I'm on my way to go meet up with my girl at her house. She's gonna be taking her car and we're gonna check her PSI because she runs on crazy camber right now. And I think one of her wheels is leaking, so we gotta put some air in it, but we'll probably cruise it over there. It'll probably take us, I believe, like 40 minutes to get over there if there's no traffic. But I want to stop by. We need to stop by for gas and I need some coffee, so we'll get some gas station coffee because that's the best coffee. But yeah, I haven't vlogged in a while. I've been really busy trying to open a tattoo studio for myself because I've been tattooing here and there, and I really do want to get a place where I can do it because at home, my house is like super small and I share a room with my brother, so no can do. So, oh, what is this dumbass doing, bro? Fucking idiot. Don't make me crash. Alright, I'll see you guys there. She's already... Look at that, boy. Too static. She's super low. I think she wants to go lower. Hopefully this wheel is not losing air because she filled it up with air, but it went back to 35, or unless the thing was wrong. I think in my other videos you guys saw her get out. Okay, now we gotta get the bumper fully out. Alright, y'all, we're almost there. It's a GReddy meet, so we're gonna meet up with a couple friends. One has a Honda Accord like my girl's, but hers is a sedan. And then the other one has a Lexus IS250 like the one I used to have before. But yep, dude, it took us like 50 minutes to get over here. Traffic and shit like that, but there's like no parking, bro. Look at all these. No parking. Look at that, bro. So nice. No parking at all. Crazy daisy. We're gonna have to park all the way over there. Well, to be honest, we kind of came late. Look at that.
like my only Honda friend. I started liking Honda shit. I'm like, all my friends are B&W friends, so I can't really like.
You need to be talking like that. Same color as yours.
Obviously, like.
Which one? Oh. Oh, nice. It's super.
It's bad.
There's a lot of people. Actually.
She gets 200 pumps all the time.
Oh, I know which video you're talking about.
Cheese.
Cheese, you guys. Cheers. I want one just like this. I need to get one of those. This was free. So clean, bro. Oh.
What?
Alright, you guys, so we're leaving the meet already. We're gonna go to Cards Jr. Take a couple homies. Oh shit, I got an arrow put up. Crazy how much attention we get in these cars. But it's cool to go see other cars and shit like that. I had a couple homies go, but I'm already leaving, so yeah. Girl doesn't let me. Anyways, we just finished eating at Lux. We're gonna go to U Girl, but they're really packed up there, and we're really hungry. So now we're gonna head home and see where we go. We're probably just gonna head home and